Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we are standing on a Sea 290 SDX outboard powered by twin Mercury V8 250s. We've got our swim seat deployed here on the port side of the boat. Massive lounger for rear seating and coving as you come into the boat. You've got stereo controls, cooler storage there, freshwater sink, another cooler storage, refrigerator, and trash right here. Large U-shaped seating here on the port side with a convertible forward or aft facing back seat. Bolsters up there in both of the co-captains and captain's chairs. The storage underneath as well. Got the large 12-inch Simrad screens. Of course, you'll notice this one does come with the Axios joysticks and electronic throttle controls. Fusion audio system in this guy. As I mentioned, forward and aft facing seat for the co-captain's chairs, and does come equipped with a large oversized head. And then coming up to the bow, you've got tons of seating for 4 or 5 of your guests up here in the bow. So here we are on a 2026 Sea 290 SDX outboard. My name is Jeff here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-606-3035. Stop in and see us.